Hello and welcome back. Grillman's Garage. We're outside today. It's a little bit cooler than the other day, but not too bad, about 11 or 12 degrees Celsius. Light breeze up there, maybe 25 kilometers an hour. I'll put the forecast up for you if I can remember that. Okay, we have today the DJI Mini 3, the standard edition. Okay, no obstacle avoidance. The Mini 3, remember I got the RC1 3 battery combo. I got a special case for it. Okay. Trying to sell these now is a little hard because they just came out with the Lido X1, which is basically the Mini 3 on steroids, or a watered down Mini 5 Pro, but got all kinds of this obstacle avoidance stuff. And it's only about maybe a little over $100 more than this kit. So there you go. This one, still fantastic travel drone. It's not complicated, it's simple. It's a 1.3 camera, amazing quality video and imagery. Okay, great range, great 700 nits here. I think it's 700 nits on this. Okay, on the controller, and three batteries, so you can get well over an hour's worth of flying in, no problem. Let's get it up. Let's fly over to the lake. Let's look at how much water there really is there, and we'll have a little chat. Okay, so let's get this up and running here. Boom. There it goes. Just stays there. Okay, my Wi-Fi's off. There we are. Okay, let's get it out. There's no obstacle avoidance. I don't have to worry about hitting a tree as long as I can see where I'm going. Okay, and we'll just go forwards. Here we go. And there we go. Let's get that video going. What do we got? 4K at 30. There we go, up. And it's just amazing, this thing. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Up to about 45 meters. 50 meters, okay. Yeah, it's this water here. Look at it. We'll come down, get a little bit more brightness on it there. Okay, we'll go up to 60. 50, 60. Okay, the amount of water there is here this spring is absolutely incredible. Like last year, this would be the end of the water right here. Okay, but look, if we go a little bit farther to the right. Okay, there's all this over here that basically wasn't there last year. Basically was not there. This little lake here was not there. Okay, because this is what I call spillage ponds or spillage lakes. They're all fed from, oh, and look at that up in the top right corner there. You see that lake over there? That's massive as well this year. That's on the other side of the pit. But if we turn to the left here, we'll see my little lake that I really like to go over. Okay, right, this one right here. Okay, so let's go over this one here. And as we go over, okay, you see it's connected to the big lake. Normally it's not. Okay, but there's so much water. It's incredible. And you look down here, look down here. A little bit of a zoom in. There you go. A little bit of zoom in there. Okay. It's absolutely incredible. It just overflowed and filled everything in. Right? Let's go back out now. Oh, other way. There we go. Let's come back over here and watch where this water goes when it comes towards the road. And we turn around, we follow the water here. Okay. So we get over here, come to the road, and I walk this road with the dogs every afternoon, and we're just about ready to go for another walk. Excuse me. It comes over here. Okay. Look how close this is to the road. It's amazing, amazing. Okay. It's so close to the road. You know, you can actually almost spit on it from the road. Okay. There you go. Okay. It's very, very close. And normally, if we come back a little bit, see this big tree here on the right? Normally the water's down to there, and you can walk all the way up to it. But not this time. There we go. Okay. There we go. Beautiful blue sky. Let's have a look around here. Okay. And we'll go over and see if we can go over to the pit. Have a look at the pit. Okay. There we go. And we're in normal mode. And this is the DJI Mini 3, the standard edition. If it's for a travel drone or for recreational purposes, you really can't beat it. It's amazing. It's really an amazing craft. And the screen is wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. I can see it very, very clearly. We're talking about water, and you see that just over there at the top there, you see the little lake on the left of center. If you follow this road around, it turns into a dirt road, and you can see the road. I move over here a little bit. There we go. You can see the road there, and it winds around, and between the two lakes there, part of it's washed out. Okay, part of it disappeared. I came through on it a couple of 3 days ago. There's a couple of inches of water on top of the road, and never seen that before. Okay, can't really. I think it might have dried up a little bit now, but you can see where the river crosses there. That's where it washed out. Okay, right over, poof. Yeah, it's amazing. So much water here, and that's the thing I mentioned to my wife the other day. I said, "You notice you notice the air here? I thought it'd be crystal clear and everything, but you get that." Once in a while, you do get the crystal clear smell of fresh air, yes. But once in a while, it smells damp because there's so much water, so many trees. It really is a hard time. It really is a hard time getting that fresh smelling air. Where am I looking here? Okay, here we go. Okay, so it was either there. No, I don't think it was there. I thought it was there. No, it wasn't there. It was water over. It was over here, right over here. Okay, if I can get that far. Right where these, yeah, right where this bend is here, on the top of this lake, and over to across the road there. That was all washed out, right there. Yeah, it's amazing, really. How far are we? 900 meters? Yeah. So there's so much water here. It's incredible. And so many lowlands, and then there's highlands, and so many lowlands, and across the street has so many trails. It's all private property. I can't go there, but so many trails, and it's lots of trails here. Lots of woodland, lots of cedars, obviously. Okay, maybe it was down here somewhere. Might have been there. Okay, I've never been out this far, not on this road anyway, with a drone. I'm trying to find out, maybe there is a washed out section here. I think I did pass it there. Yeah. Okay, we're going to turn around here. Okay, just turn around. Keep going. Nope, too far. Come on, where'd we go? What does that look like? Well, no, I want to come this way. There we go, and come back. That's how I can do my orientation. There we go. Now I know I'm coming back somewhere. There we go. There we go. There we go. And we'll come back here and get rid of you. There we go. Okay, and we can come back now. There's that road. That's not where it washed out there. See that little car down there? It was before that, or back a little ways. But anyway, got a little carried away with watching the map there and finding my orientation again. One thing this one doesn't have is that H that bounces around and tells you where your home spot is. I kind of missed that. But as far as imagery goes, one of a 1.3 camera, it's amazing. The DJI Mini 3. It's a phenomenal drone, and the actual controller is a lot more compact than the RC2. It doesn't have those rabbit ear antennas on it. Okay, so there we go. Let's just do a return to home here and see what happens with it. Okay, here we go. There we go. It should come on straight back there. Here we go. Yeah, that's coming. The wind's picked up a little bit, but yeah, I got news today. Here's the news on the Avata 360. News today. It's in the mail. It's coming back. UPS is supposed to deliver it on Monday, and I'm going to do what everybody says again. I'm going to film it. I'm going to take it up above the house, up in the clear blue sky, go up about as high as I can, 30 meters or 27 meters, fly around for half an hour on a calm day, whatever, and guarantee I'm not going to get any satellites. Having said that, on Wednesday, I'm going to then pack it up, take it back to Best Buy, and either get my money back and buy another one, or get another one from Amazon, because I'm not really into getting anything from Best Buy anymore. But I've had a couple of bad dealings with the marketplace thing there, and their return policies are a little strange sometimes. If you're not careful, you get dinged with a 15% restocking fee. If you're 14 days plus and you just don't like it, then it's a 15% restocking fee. Here it is. There it is right above us. Okay, we'll just cancel that. And it's coming down. And remember, you can use the sticks while it's landing and maneuver it around. It was going to land in the woods because that's where the picnic table was. Here it comes down, nice and slow. And we come down. I'm not going to let it land, but we'll let it come down. And here it comes. There we go. Come on forward. Let's just, for the heck of it, take a picture and show you what the differences are. There we are. Come down. And close. Oh, and stop that video. Come close. There we go. There we go. And we do the two-stage video, or the two-stage. There you are, you're really close there. Okay. Down a bit. There we go. Smile. There we go. Taking a few pictures, I think. Let's have a look at the album. Yeah, there we go. We got some pictures. We're doing good. Photos. Only the one. Okay. I'll take another one. There we go. And for good luck, maybe. Okay, should have 3 good ones there. Let's have a look. One, two, three. There we go. Good enough. Okay, awesome. So we've got how much left? We've got 50% left. Amazing. Let's just take a look here. And we have this 1080p transmission. Look at the puppies. Do not jump up at the drone. There we go. Okay, let's come on back here and we'll do our little conclusion. Down it goes. almost off the table. Let's just put it back on the table there a little bit. There we go. And we can come down a bit. There we go. We can do this. Okay, very good. Okay, the DJI Mini 3 Standard Edition. They all work really, really well. Of all the DJIs I've had, the only one I've had issues with is this latest one, the Avata 360. It just wouldn't work. So I don't know. This one I bought from DJI, no problem. All the other ones, no, the Neo 2 I bought from Amazon, I believe. This one I bought from DJI. My Mini 5 Pro I got from DJI. Not a problem at all. Okay? Don't know what's happened with the Avata 360. We'll get it back. We'll figure it out. See what happens. Okay? But whether I keep it or not, I don't know. So there we go. So this was just a nice little flight. I haven't had it out for a while. The DJI Mini 3. Don't discourage it if you can get a good deal. Like I know this combo kit with this controller and a case. In Canada, they're going, a good deal is about $450, $500 Canadian. Okay? And if somebody wants to offer me $450 for mine, not a problem, and you pay for the shipping. Okay? There you go. But that's just the way it is. That's Canadian, $450 Canadian, $500 Canadian, whatever. That's about what it'll work out to. So let's make a deal. Anyway, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and I'm getting a little chilly now, so I'm going back inside. Okay? Bye now.